Introducing Tera, Tessolve Edge. Using Tera Box, customers can take advantages of massive amount of data available for vehicles. This can be used for various advantages of predictive, prescriptive maintenance, vehicle usage information analysis, and more. Tera bridges the connection between vehicle data and cloud and helps customers get meaningful insights into vehicle analytics. Customers can implement Edge algorithm on Tera, which can be customized and updated using OTA service. Vehicle data access can lead to monetization opportunity and leads to customer satisfaction. Real-time driving insights provides opportunities for feedback and coaching information to customers, which can then improve safety and reduce risk. Tera has the supercompute capability using NXP S32G2 processor and interpret data on vehicles and reduces the amount of data being transmitted to cloud, thereby reducing the cost of data generation to get these insights. Tera Box is modular, scalable, and provides rich I/O features designed with automotive design compliance. Our mission is to be present on all vehicles, connecting sensor data to cloud with minimal cost. Contact sales@tessolve.com to order/customize Tera, or visit our website www.tessolve.com.